comments lately? Man, that day gets dropped on the lady, we become so numb to what we're seeing. When everyone else is comfortable remaining voiceless rather than fighting for humans who have had their rights stolen. I may not be the same, but that's not important. No freedom to feel equal, damn right I support it.
Thank you, baby. Love you.
Love is mine. Love is patient. Love is mine. Love is patient. Love is mine.
Diba picture ako sa'yo?
Thank you so much. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming huling linggo dahil hindi niyo po inaasahan ang mga magaganda.
Ang pogi mo rin yan!
Ano naman ang gagawin mo, Jade?
Kunwari ka ba?
Ay, nako, pero...
Okay to.
At ito, magsisimula si Althea
We love you.
na hindi na nakasama si Jade. Pero, mukhang gagawin pa rin ni Jade ang lahat para makapiling si Althea. So, happy tayo lahat.
Meron dyan, guys. Papayag ba akong mangyari? Papayag ko si David na mangyari yan. Wait, you have to watch and there's another character na mangyari kay David. Siyempre, huwag niyong palapasin. Marami exciting na mangyari sa story ng The Rich Man's Daughter.
Hindi ko alam ba?
Okay, there will be realizations among relationships kasama na dyan kina Gabriel at Pearl at syempre si Oscar at Amanda.
At syempre, hindi kami magpapahuli dyan ni Sally. Diba?